Kiti kan lo kla kan ameli. Ko akla kan ngocha lo mo.
Mwe ke batuna TV. Manye Gardner ni isione. Kai kani tumino. Tuna Media Network. Ne to eblonya ni ngoke ba hawo. Mono wa maye. Oti potenko. Ne nya dangbeli saminya. Ne loloji gba. Kwa ke gba. Mini kraji gba. Gbaji nyumu ke yo akake pemi ni ake wo medun alo ake bo weku tambeli ke gba fiewe lo no ko tisi keke ni ese gba mi ake ne gba ehian dambeli hidio atisi keke ni ase gba si loko no ko ma se gba mi nge dambedio dambeli puose ni ahie kan no jehe papalo lo ni ifu nge ne ahie blonge nyumuko ne esu ne ngela ni mangoyo ni masegbasi ni no me ko meji nyumo esu ban ahie kan nyumo no ne ngela ni mangoyo enge suban papalo ahie kan yo ya yakobe nyumo no ne ngela ni mangoyo ewe ko milo yo no ko meji godo kesinfia mi hiyo ke ekpa yifu ne piehe oko jidan menumu ko ma pele na ebi maya gba nyumu ko e ma ye no me chope ke piehe hu aye kan wemi ne nyumu no dio asu azenga vio milo mene ne so ne bi ma gba azeche alo egba no ko ne di azeche me awem le bi azene bi o ya ngo keba lo ahie eno hu kone ayo yo kan nyumo di wemine asu azenge kepie azenge asu nge wiomihelo asu nge awemio ahie hu kan yiwi chochemenge awemilo ahie kan nuali nge jama wiomilo alopo kan juli nge jama wiomi lo esane nyumu ni ngela ne mangoyo ni no me ekoko hi ewekum lolo loko dangme no ko makple kan ebiyo ne yagbanyumu no ne pinyumo me aswekum alo asuban keke ne ahie dangme nyumu ho ne engela ne enwoyo lehu efoli ke eweku ya po yo se kone lehu ahie kan ni no me ekobe lehu ewemilo abu no nge awemilo we ko mengene ko ya abuno kake lo mana ka yeyo mecho pe ka ya gba ochi ke ka pale ija ka no bu mi su nge ami aye hu ka me hu awemi o asu azelo asu azenge awem bone pene abi oko ya gba alo ya mo azeche ke ba wem aye hu ka jama se fiami yono ke godo no yeyo hu ekobe ewem ke eno me kra dablo ne dangbe no che alo weku ngeno mi mamika wemine ebi yo ngela ne eyaseo ejiwe papa keke jano ato blonya ke ha gba mi semi ha abiome ngekangbe di ajio ahio yo kan esane mla ne kudo no feno ne apio lo hinge gba hamimio dangbe mla suro to hine ayono pone pene gba ne ane ha ne eye manye kekere mla ne dangbe hie ka ekudo gbaji kan esene nyumo ne eyango yo epene ne apuile esaka apo jama nyumo dangbe yo ka ke apuino ko munge jama chehe nike eke yoko ya 4 jama bio hu muma hi ehe lo dangmeli yoka lokoji numuko mango abiyo isale aleka jama nyumu awekumio apono lo apuino ke ema baleka apuino nge awekumio abegba no plan sike ma baleka apo meo ni apoki ke manyumu no le keke mlani ne nye lami no eda ne nyumu manye maya no ne emanwo yo mla ekpani da mele hie dika eseka nyumu ne ya anwo yo enwole ni che enyemi le ni che enyemi manye mape echebi alo enyebi eseno alo enuwenye enuechebi alo enuwenyebi alo nokopone ekaleje muokakeno eno hujino kone dangmeli hiyo ne esene nokone ya angoyuo alo yone ya agba kike manuko kebia hiyo dangmeli hiyo yoka eseka nyumo kake mo yi enyo na we kakemi ebehi kanoko ke eseno mahi nyumo kake heka eji alokpli onu alokpli yelo ne miniji alokpli ji mo futumi ke e ma baleka nyumo kake kenyimi me yi enyo ngesaka ewome alokpli ke bia lolo hio ese hu kan nyimi me nyumuhi enyo ne me hu akayo kake ne hisi lolo hu pio alokpli alo nyimi me nyumuhi enyo ne aya ngoyo ngewe kake mi ejaka yi no me ajimu kake no ne nyumo me hu ajimu kake no lo eke nyimi me nyumuhi enyo ya ngoyo ngewe kake mi lolo hu pio alokpli afutumo loko dangme yo ko manye magba esane asele dipo ejaka dipo semio ne chukole dipo semio echuko ehe jama biomio ne ekasio yoba yo papa pemi ekasio bene ekema hie ewemi ekasio bene ekema hie ehuno ke ebi mepo ano lo eke asemo dipo mini olenge gbasi himi lo idangmele hiyo yoka loko jukwe yeyo ko ma se gbasi himi mio esane ese dipo kone echuko ehe ke ha ni chumi nenge ehemio ne enyene ebe bubu hale eno hejio dangmele ke kusumi no fiewe se mono Christofoli ajami ne bahejio ni hisio kusumi no se ase dokume ase dipo awini hime alo apewe asimi hime se agba ejaka wade keselaka kusumio echakio nejenge jo ni wake makpa cheme ngepaka wo hejio wakasio no ko kejo me hu anwo jami pa hine base wa jami mio wakasio ni hikejo mi titri Christofoli ajami no ni wanaka ke aseno ko dipo no nye negba simio hi hale dambele yosio basloto hi ni aha abi hi jamagba alo alioka ni higba jamagba no me epo logika dangmeli nge biesloto hi ni ake kalio bloko no ne no kogun ke gba ni lolo ni pio ebio ni hawa hie blono ekome ano ke bie hi ni akeche kike magba no me keke gba ni wa ma hie na meli cheleke kabulai yugba eji yoko ne ngegba ne eku eyape no ya yaponge mano hene engel no ya yankoka eku eyaju alo eyasu aze ne enaka hemisi poemi maba keke etufo keje mano hene engel keke esigba ne engegba ke homa pano ya ke ke yono ho makpano ya ni eyagba ekpan yono ache gba le agba ekpan ke kabola yogba jamanyumone kelenge eyachuwe eheninge heko eli ewekuko ke kabola yogbo zogbeno ne egbo nyumuno ne eyagbale pio ngeno oyaya mi ne ebenge emami heje ne emtufuo lane puole noko sume ne magba kabola igba ejaka bumi ko behe zo keke ngenge kabola yogba he mono akene Kristo jami bahe si hejio ba no singepo kenoko kan jama aba ni ma bale kan noko ya suaze alo eyaju ne hemsipo maba amye bloka ematufu ke de imam ahia munyu ni atuo ni asolio hano ko ni echake etui re kabola igba esinge punga dangbeje ona ka kusumi nge chake mo hawapo wa isra kewaba omaye gba ipane dangbeli ha abime alo ayosio kaine o subscribe wa YouTube channel Nyatuna TV kai mune o like wa Facebook page ko ne o follow ne jekewecho ne abayose dangbe kusumi ne mehu akase eheni lolo hu Nyatuna TV ochum o mapaleke basira
Adale ngo basamutone
yo hawa chano dangbele yosio lele si yogba ejigba ni ahajukwenko nge ejukwansi nge dangmedio imanye mabamika foli kome yana jukwe yoyoko ne jewe papa kome ne enipe mini mu ahesaminya amanye maya gboyoyo no henine kan wo seke ewa amasun ni akele ha abinyumuko ni kele ne hinsi ke ebaleja ne yeyu ofoli pleno nyumuyo no wekuli alo efoli wa na ke hie jukwe yeyu o ke yasi emawa ke ewa ne esugba haminya keke jano nyumuyo wekuli mabachu eheni keke angole kanjo ke ha abinyumu lele si yogba no e ha ne jukwe yeyo me alio nyumu kakepe na kele hionsi etomi jomba mono lele si yogba epuehe ejaga bekome nokumanye ma agbo yeyo ko henine e ma yele lu ke ewa ne esube ne ya tun ehini ko ne ma ngole ke pe yo keke yeyo ofeliga ke esime jamanu lo hane pio jama gbano ipo henge dangbeji hu hawa ye gba ipa ne dangbele yosio je yo gba dangbele yosio gba na chele ke je yo gba eji gba ne yoko kenyumuko nge plansun ni akefobi me nyumuno ya tuwe yo no henige heko wekuno ko lile plami bime keke ni angefoi nyumuno ebehe wa miko nge yo no ejaka ya tuwe henihi efoli nge heko nyumuno ebehe blo ne egun nyumuko ayifale nge yo no he bime ne jeyo kenyumuno fo apio yuono ejaka nyumo ya tunwe eheni nge heko ke ebamika jeyo gbo janyumuno ya tu eheni loko enge heblo ne epuonle bumi ke anyonyam kukra bejeyo balo alo jeyo ngoloko he nge dangbeje ba ekmanu wa maye dangmeli chele ke wo yo kwe gba ejigba ne dangmeli ngo jukwe ye yoko ke ya chion no yobuko ne ma ba ano nge wowe heko ne ye yo no sumo wo ke wono ke ye yo no nge wo sumo wono nge heblo ne enwo le ke pio eyo pio wono no kra ke ema bale kan pe wono sume ne le ema ngojema ye yo no ne ye yo de agba no ko jama no ne mane ba ngo ye yo no ema ba chu ye yo heni ke ha wono se pi ye yo foli ke ye yo no ya agba no ko ne kele fo bi me ne ekemle ma fo kra pio wono ebi me ne bi nyumo ne e yagba ebi me gba no ejigba ko ne dangmeli ngesisi gun pio kra pio Kristo jami ba ne wa hio yo kan no fia no ne ba ne adesablo famio pi yobui ne ke yobu hu pi adesa na ke ma atinya lo afa kwe keke aketinje mano nya kwa mono dangme no ko mu ebi ne ke atin no yobu ko nya nge wo we he ko hu lo igba no engela nge dangbeje mono ekoja oya ko be he ko me loko o man na no eko ngeli jon kaika fua okusum ni tumio no wangone dangbe kusum he ni pen wange sen no ne lo mo yose no naka kusumio ewa ne ichake o nine hawapo wahe ke waba wa machano sekai ne onye wase ne Facebook ne Tuna TV Tuna TUNAA or symbol TV mo bo mode hu ne o subscribe wa YouTube channel o Tuna TV wa ma paleke ba Bakpa no wa ma hieji aho Yoruba alo akomigba gbano ejigba ne ake ha yoko ne ehunusi ke yoko ya gba ne truka ehunusi o nyumo wekuli to kusumblonya ni angon nyumo eseno alo ewo faseko na ke ha yo no pone pene se no lo wo faseno ehie yuo ke bime ke wetoni ne enyemi osion no be ko mi o ma bale kan yo ma pleno ne ke wo faseno alo ehunu se no ma hinsi tambeli hie kene ne hu ne plan we no ne ekele ma hinsi le ni che aje igba pan le gba lolo hunye se kan kusumi blono totoyo keno kongoyo ne nyumosin aha eyo ahomigba bone pene eke kudo bime ke wetoni titri ne nyumosin ke ahoyo ko plan ne egba ehunu seno alo ewo fasio jamanyumuno engeheblo ne egun nyumuko ne emana leke eyo ayifale itaka kusumi nya epio eyo mono ahogba poehe yaka Kristo jamiba ehane wa kusumi ehemi chakibo hawa ye gbapa ni dangmeli yosio senhe yogba ejigba ni aha ye yoko nge ewemi ni awonoko chenge ke awutonoko manche anwo ye yoko ne dio biomi ke ha legba ni pio so ehe yogba dangmeli to kusumi no blonya ke ha bone pene so hela misanio eko yama ke ma baleka se he yo no ya pe we mi no la mi munyu hichope ne mange e maje son hiyo ye yo no manye maya sen ha eweku ni son he la mi munyu maje po loy akeni dang me lisume ni son he la mi munyu ko ne je po hejo atoblo nya no loy ke awoche nge wekomio titri mantel aha le son he yoba ne jamano yoyo no epio no ko ne je wekomi ne hemike ye mi hane dang me le musisika ebe ya son he la mi sane ko sen ha no kokoko ejaka le ni che elami bono ni maya hi wo ne nyagbegba ne maso ni wa hie loji gbaniche ejigba ne nyumuko ya chu yoko heni ayo wekuli ne enwole ke ho ne kele ya hisi kan nyumu ke eyo weku enyomecho alio nyumuno alio yono ne alio meweku bi mehu alio ahe ne lo hejo akple gba nono lo egba niche jigba ko ni ngedang meji no fia no ni weku omio ekple no ejaka abachu yoyo eheni yenye mi yo mini gba no so no magba alo mini gba no ngegba yi gba ni chelo wo yo kwe gba lo kabola yo gba lo je yo gba lo alo aho yo gba se yo gba lo mo ni che mo ye ko kono ye nene osun ni o magba mochu ka mono ni tumi ohun obutoi hawa po wai ke wa ba wa machano Hello and welcome to Tuna TV. Today we are looking at marriage among the Dangme. The Dangme see marriage as a union between two families. Among the Dangmes, they believe that there are certain rules that should govern marriage. So before a man is allowed to marry a certain woman, the parents of the man investigates the background of this woman. Likewise that of the woman. Per the investigation of the man, the woman's family finds out whether he is coming from a family of a good moral, a family where there are no witches and wizards, a family where people are hardworking, and therefore they look out for the man to be hardworking as well. They also make sure that this family is not made up of strange diseases like madness, leprosy, epilepsy, and others. If any of this is realized, no man will allow the daughter to marry from that family, because the possibility of the children or the grandchildren coming up with any of these is very high. Just like the man's family will also investigate to find out if the woman is of a good moral, hardworking, respectful, from a well-behaved family, just like the family of the woman would do to the man. If all this is said and done, and they are sure that the woman can marry from the young man's family, or the young man can also marry from the woman's family, then now the ball is set rolling. The necessary things are put in place, and the two people are joined in marriage. The Dangme forbids that a man marries his own sister. This sister could be the father's daughter or the mother's daughter. It could be the brother's daughter or the sister's daughter. It could be an uncle's daughter. Anyone he is from the same lineage with, the Dangmes do not allow such marriages, except on few and very special reasons where they do. Before a man marries a Dangme woman, the woman's family ensures that that man has been circumcised. No Dangme man will allow the daughter to marry an uncircumcised man, because it is believed that such a person is not pure. So if a man who has not been circumcised is allowed to marry a Dangme woman and they give birth, the child will then be seen as impure. So no man in the Dangme land will allow the daughter to marry a man who has not been circumcised. The same way, if a woman has not gone through the puberty rites, no man in the Dangme land allows the son to marry such a woman, because it is believed that it is a sacred ceremony that the woman is taking through, and that purifies her as well, preparing her for the future, for marriage, for the household, taking care of her husband and children. So if this woman has not gone through puberty rites, it is believed that she hasn't learned anything that she is implementing in her marriage. But today, Christianity has come to overshadow our custom. People are marrying without going through the necessary puberty rites. What do we have to say? Culture is really dynamic, and that is why this is happening. The Dangmes recognize different forms of marriages and they accept same. The first is the Kabulai Yoruba. In this situation, a woman could be happily married, and then out of something that she might have done wrong in her community, maybe she went to steal something, or she's been caught as a witch, and because of shame and disgrace, she tries to run away from her community, runs away from her marriage, and goes to a new community and settles there. When she gets there and marries another man, this marriage is referred to as Kabulai Yoruba. This new man this woman goes to marry does not have power over her. If she dies, he must perform the necessary rites as far as marriage is concerned before he can bury her. Even if he finds this woman with another man, he has no right to query the man, because the marriage is not even recognized. Currently, such marriages are not common, because anytime such issues will come up, the church quickly rallies around it and they see to it that it is resolved, and the man accepts his wife back and the case ends naturally. Another form of marriage the Dangme recognizes is Woyokwegba. In this situation, a young girl, normally it is a girl who has even not attained menarche, is given out to the chief priest, where she goes to serve to prevent an evil occurrence that may befall either her family or her township. When such a girl is given out to the priest to serve at the shrine, the priest owns her and therefore could marry her and have children with her. In the instance where the priest does not want to marry this girl, she is allowed to marry any other young man. But remember, this young man must perform the necessary rites to the priest and not that of the parents of this girl. all the children this young woman will have with the husband belong to the chief priest and not the husband as well. This is surprising, right? Remember, it is the Dangme culture we are looking at. Fwa okusum Dangme no. Kohane pe monyakbe. The other thing we looked at is lelesi yogba. Sometimes a certain family will see a young girl in another family, and because she is coming from a good family, a well-behaved family, they will quickly go and ask for her hand in marriage for their son in the near future. If the parents of this young girl accept their proposal, the parents of this boy assist the girl's parents to take care of the girl until she becomes old for marriage. When she's of age and she is allowed to go to marriage, then the boy's family or the man's family will now come and perform the necessary rites and take her as a wife for their son. Currently, this form of marriage is not common because sometimes the parents or the family of the man will help take care of the girl, and when she becomes of age, she refuses to marry the man, maybe because he's not of her class or for whichever reason. So this time, people don't waste their resources in taking care of someone's child who will grow up and refuse them marriage. You see, culture is really dynamic. Senhe Yoruba is the next one. And this form of marriage, a woman within the family is given out as a wife to the chief who has been elected or appointed. This is done because the family does not want the secrets about the kinship to go public. So it is believed that if there is a woman from the house who is a wife to the king, she keeps or covers up all the secrets in the family, since she also not want to wash her dirty lily in public. So you see, the Dangmes have different reasons for whatever they do. Thank you for listening to today's episode of Fwa Okusum. We'll come your way again another time with another episode. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tuna TV. Like and follow us on Facebook, Tuna TV. This has been Manye Gardner. See you.
Boba do egba kiko ni han lo foyan gba ikin. Boba do egba ikin, boba do boba do egba kino.